When an organization activates Microsoft Copilot without a clear map of its permissions, the AI instantly indexes everything it can access. If a guest account is over-permissioned or a confidential SharePoint site is left open, Copilot will read those files. It then serves that exposed sensitive data directly into everyday user prompts. To lock down those security gaps, we deploy a read-only scanner to map your Microsoft 365 environment and govern your active AI agents. Before you can safely trust an AI tool to interact with your data, you have to achieve total visibility over where that data lives and who can see it. A compliant enterprise deployment guarantees you are live in 4 weeks. The initial scan happens immediately. Step 1 is connecting the scanner. You authorize it via a standard OAuth consent flow. The connection is strictly read-only. We do not install admin agents, we do not make changes to your tenant, and zero data is stored. The analysis runs directly in your browser session, scanning your entire environment in under 5 minutes. You acquire deep intelligence about your network without compromising your architecture or risking your privacy. This dashboard displays our initial Copilot Readiness score out of 100, along with a breakdown of total findings by severity. To locate our specific vulnerabilities, we look at the security checkpoints list and select the exposure row for overshared files and external links. This scan flags SharePoint sites that have no listed owners, as well as individual files exposed through active external guest links. Using the status indicators on the right, you can quickly triage the list. Sort by the failed and warning labels to prioritize the immediate threats. If an entry-level employee has background access to an executive's OneDrive, Copilot can ingest those documents and summarize them in Microsoft Teams. Manually auditing permissions across thousands of files is impossible. This automated scan serves as your first line of defense before AI activation. Now that we know our data exposure, we check the broader compliance and identity baselines. Here, the dashboard shows a failed score of 0 for our data loss prevention policies. As a result, sensitive data can be freely shared without restriction. Clicking the Remediation Steps tab gives you the precise, numbered path through the Microsoft Purview Compliance Portal to patch the policy gap. If your IT team prefers automation, the PowerShell Script tab provides ready-to-run code. You can deploy it to fix identity issues like conditional access across the tenant at scale. Identifying a security gap is only effective when you have an actionable path to close it. With the environment secured, we transition into the Copilot IQ dashboard to audit the active AI agents. We start by inventorying every single agent running inside your network, whether it was built by Microsoft or created internally with Copilot Studio. This interface shows the IT Help Desk bot's details, owner, and its 30,000 responses. Under Knowledge Sources, we confirm it only accesses the official SharePoint IT knowledge base. These orange badges automatically flag when the agent handles sensitive data. AI governance means knowing definitively which agent is active, who it interacts with, and the exact data sources it uses to generate answers. By identifying our exposed files and locking down our AI agents, we establish total visibility over the network. We audited the Microsoft 365 tenant, applied the provided scripts to close our security gaps, and verified the data connections for every active Copilot tool. You can now export these findings directly from the Reports tab. Secure your Microsoft 365 environment, connect your tenant, and run your free scan today.